The Paranormal Chick here. Take a look at this video that was captured down in Mexico. The local news station claimed they were atmospheric sounds as a way of explanation. But the interesting part about this video are the dogs, the animals, their response to what they're hearing and potentially the vibrations. Take a look and tell me what you think. Like, post, comment, repost. Let me know.
This is just a test. The big one comes later. This is just a test. The big one comes later. This is just a test. The big one comes later.
You wish to test me? Good.